Okay, a couple of things you need to know before learning about the leads the Sonar platform can provide. With this platform, any agency with 500 unique visitors or more will most likely get more leads than they have ever gotten before. I say this because it's important to learn about your prospects' buying patterns over time. First, let's look at the lead notification email. As you can see, when you get the email, it says you have a new lead, and it will tell you where they're located here. It'll tell you the first page that they visited here. It'll tell you where they came from. It'll also tell you the specific visitor IP. This will help when determining which location they might be at in a specific company. I'll explain that in a later video. And then obviously their URL and their phone number. I'll also show you how you can go with the URL into the next phase, into Seamless, and get the personal cell phone number and personal emails of all companies that visit your website. Now, once you get one of these leads, or if you see it in your real time right here, in your real-time feed, you will need to determine which prospect is hot and which one is not. Now that we have a lead, let's dig into seeing how interested they really are. To determine interest, you're going to need to look at a few things. One, actions. You can see those right here. They are all listed right there. You will see folders for pages. You will see this for, I think it's going to be like when you're logging into an app. Then you'll have video, audio, web forms, clicks. All of that will show in what's called the action bar right here. Very important to pay attention to actions. You'll also notice that if they've been back more than once, it'll say a returning visitor right here. This is also very important. You click on that, and Outrageous Digital. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the clicks and the links that they have done, where they came from, how they got there, and also from here, we can also isolate specific pain points. Let me show you how we can do that. Once you log into your Leads Overview tab, you'll have all of the prospects, the company records that have landed on your site. From here, you'll want to isolate their specific pain points. And as you can see on the screen here, we have a list of all the people records, the companies we want to follow, and the companies we don't want to follow, the ones we hide. They come into here, you'll see a detailed list of everything this company is interested in. In this specific situation, they're interested in social media marketing, possible blogging, and website design. And then they want to know who the team is. This is a very good example of what a buying pattern should look like. So in this case, it looks like they're going to be predominantly interested in in social media marketing. Whether it be SEO, whether it be web design, whether it be social media, from here, it is now time to deliver overwhelming value. Following up and delivering overwhelming value is much easier when you have 100% transparency into what your prospects' pain points or what their interests are. There are dozens of audit sites available to agencies. I personally prefer MyWebAudit. These audit tools are wonderful for delivering overwhelming value upfront without spending 8 to 10 hours doing in-depth research or writing custom proposals. So at this point, simply run an audit on their specific pain points and then begin the warm lead follow-up process. Okay, hope this video helps. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll cover how to standardize your follow-up so it delivers overwhelming value every single time and it does not consume too much of your time.